Take a look at this Pontiac. Won't see one of these come in here every day. 1974 Pontiac GTO. These, of course, were made on the Ventura platform. This particular one is a two-door coupe. Would have also had the hatchback, but this would be the two-door coupe. Now, under the hood, this has a 400 paired up with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Also very nicely equipped car. Was originally an AC car. Has AC. It appears all the components are there. Power steering, power brakes. So nicely equipped car. I would call it a driver quality paint. It's kind of a silver metallic. There are some imperfections in it kind of around the trunk. There's a little bit of staining or something that's kind of gotten into it. I'll point that out, but as you can see up in the front, quite a nice silver metallic. The camera pictures don't really do this one justice. It's got kind of a little bit of a silver metal flake. Got the real shaker hood. Yes, that scoop is hooked up to the air cleaner on the 400 that's underneath there. Again, this was the last year that the GTO was around until it resurfaced in 2004 to 2006, I believe it is, when Pontiac made it out of the Holden platform. But yeah, the last year you could have gotten the GTO as a trim package on the Ventura body style. Now, if you'd like to check out the still pictures of this, you can see the interior, underside pics, engine bay, check it all out, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, there's a link in the description. You can click on that. That's going to take you right there. We can also be reached at 507-386-1726. Be happy to answer any questions, help you out with this. See, it's riding on a Pontiac Motor Division style rally wheel. Kind of black, gray, charcoal combination. Vinyl bench seat shifter on the column. See, the car's pretty straight up and down the side of it. Very nice sounding car. That 400 underneath there. This was a Van Nuys, California car, by the way. That's where this car was built at. Started out on the West Coast. According to the interior, also you can tell by the interior code on this, this would have been a custom. Could have the regular Ventura or the custom. Let me turn the GTOs out after that. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at. It may be eligible for an extended warranty also, so ask your sales associate if you call in or through an email. Be happy to help you out with that. I'd say the bright work on this, again, kind of a driver quality. Does it show nice yet? Yes. Are you going to find some light scratching imperfections in it? Yes. But still shows nice. Again, nice driver quality. Now, as we get along around to the back here, here's, if I can get it to pick up on the camera, so you can kind of see a little of the spotting. It's kind of like etched into the paint a little bit. That's on the trunk lid. I didn't see a whole lot of it anywhere else on the car as far as quarters or roof. Just a little bit back here in the rear quarters, but more up towards the top half. If something stained it, something got on there. Other than that, that's kind of the main spot where it's at. And again, you can check out the still pictures. So you can take a good look at it, look at them up close, take your time looking through them. And the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, there's a link. You can click on it. It's going to take you right there. Of course, phone number 507-386-1726. Take a look down the driver's side here. And again, you can see it's not full of a bunch of nicks, dings, or scratches. Pretty straight carpet down the sides of it. All right, let's go ahead and check out this interior and snoop that over a little bit. All right, so we have your door panels here. Like I said, vinyl bench seat. Seat belt's intact. Dash, a little Grant GT aftermarket steering wheel. The headliner, that's all in good shape. Rear seat's also in nice shape. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear that 400 underneath the hood. Blower fan does work. Here's your stereo, a little Kenwood aftermarket put in it. Some aftermarket gauges. It's also in here earlier. It did have the wipers working. It's good to go on the wipers. Column mounted tach is also working. Good throttle response in this one. Slip around to the back and you hear it run. Nice rumble coming out of that 400. Good sounding car. I'm going to slip up here to the front. Let me pause this video a second and we'll pop that hood open so we can take a look at the engine bay. Check it out. Alright, here we go. 400 under the hood. Like I said, nicely equipped power steering, power brakes. And again, this would have been a factory AC car. You can see it still has AC condenser and everything. I think the majority of the components are there. I've not had it working. But all appears to be there. And a good functional cold air intake on there. I believe 74, I don't even think the Trans Ams were functional. I think the GTO is the only one. And again, last year the GTO, until it made its comeback in 2004 or 2006, just don't see these every day. 1974 Pontiac Ventura 2-door Coupe GTO. You can check out the still pictures, uniqueplasticcars.com, or down below this video, click on the link. It's going to take you right there. Our phone number, 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation of this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended warranty. Inquire with your sales associate. Give us a call.